If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2020 Jeep Renegade Latitude in Glacier Metallic. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 17-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, rear window wiper and washer, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 36,000 miles on the odometer, 7-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, remote start system, split folding rear seats, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 476398.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.